Okay, today we are here with Kristine. I'll put her links and stuff down below there. And if you see that little like button and that little subscribe button, y'all know what to do with that, right? Just click on that thing. Okay, so let's adjust this slightly. We should be good. Let's see if we can get it. Ah, perfect. Perfect. Okie dokie. Let's see. No, actually, I want a little more shadows here. A little more shadows. So I'm going to lift this a little higher. Bring it down some. And you know what? I'm going to cut this off. Let's see what we get here. Okay. Ah, beautiful. Now this gives more of a top-down lighting. Even though this is not hanging directly above you, it's high enough to where it kind of gives sort of a top-down. So we got more shadows going down. So I like that. We will go with that. Perfect. Very nice. Excellent. Beautiful. Let's see. Oh yeah, I really like that. Let me show you what we're getting here so you have an idea of that lighting.
Oh yeah.
Very nice.
Oh, it's good.
I would have the TV on, but I forgot to charge my laptop up, so it's like, oh well.
It's okay.
It usually slows.
I would be distracted though, and then I wouldn't be looking in the right places. So.
Yeah, and it slows me down too. Oh, beautiful pose. I love that. Very nice. Excellent. Okay, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to slow my shutter speed down some, and I want to get more of this lamp glow in here. But to do that, I'm going to have to slow the shutter speed down to about 1/15 of a second, which means I can't handle that and still get a steady shot. Okay, let me see what we got here.
Sorry, I was adjusting this thing.
Okay, that's beautiful. I love it. Okay. We love it when you adjust. There we go. Very nice. Okay, yeah, that's very pretty with that lamp glow, the glow from the lamp. And let me zoom a little. Very nice. Beautiful, I love it. Excellent. Get them back a little bit so I can get the whole body in here. There we go. Beautiful. Very nice. Now I'm going to take off of this and adjust my shutter speed. Beautiful. Love it. Very nice. Excellent. Let me get a lower position here. Beautiful. Love it. beautiful. Look at that.
Oh yeah, they look good. Nice and shadowy.
Yep. Love it.
Looks nice.
Very nice. Okay.